First, we are going to search Pompompurin clip art photo. And then we are going to choose which design to turn into a piñata. Let's go with the easiest one. So just download it, right click, and then save image as. Choose wherever you want to save it. And then we are going to open an Excel sheet, insert, illustrations, pictures, place over cells, this device, and then we click the one we downloaded. And then we can make it smaller so that we can see the whole picture, like that. And click view, page preview. I'm going to crop it, right click, then crop, so that we can get the exact size we want. Now we can double click, and if you can see right here, this is the size. We can just change it. It's in inches. I will make 15 inches. There you go. And we are going to fix it in this shell. Now we are just going to print it out. I have printed it. This is how will it look like after printing. And then we are just going to cut out the edges. This is how will it look like after cutting the edges. And then now we are just going to cut the edge from here. And then we are just going to attach it here using a tape. And then this one we will cut from here. And just attach it here just like what we did to the first one. Then for the last one, we are going to cut all the edges. And then just like what we did with the first two, we are just going to attach it here using a tape. Just like that. We now have a perfect shape. Next is, we are just going to trace in the material that we will use. If you are going to use a box, you can actually do it. You can use a thin box for a smash piñata, but for the full piñata, you can also use a thick one. There you go. Then I'm just going to cut it out.